What's up, everybody? This is Igor in Russia, and I'm in my Russian home. In this video, we're doing a Igor Breakfast with Igor series. So I'm gonna show you how this typical Russian man with a foreign background actually eats a breakfast. Now that my wife isn't here, because she usually cooks amazingly, but if I travel alone, filming all the videos for my channel, and that's Igor in Russia, and YouTube, Facebook, and other channels as well of mine. That's how I basically do it. So stick around and let's have some breakfast Russia style. So okay, this is a little corner around here, and I'm gonna do some coffee. And for coffee, this actually broke down a bit. For coffee, I need to actually pour normal bottled water, because that's been debated in some of my videos, that and people been talking, can you drink water from tap? In Russia, most commonly, you can't. And that's because, well, in places where you can, the water is actually filtered. And I used to have in the other apartment in Russia, there's a stuff that it goes through inside that cleans few filters. There's a bitter ones and less good ones. So let's put this coffee. This is, but anyway, then you can drink it, but it's not, even then, not advisable. So bottled water, guys. And right here, hold up. Here is actually this is Dolce Gusto, a Nescafe, like machine. That's my preferable coffee. I pour some water, and it's capsule coffee. So this here is not the most expensive pack, 10 eggs. This is not the most expensive, not the most cheapest, but it's 1.3 for $1.5 a pack. And we're gonna do some eggs right now. Hold up. Whoa, 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 whoa. And you guys, if you know, I'm not the most good with I'm not the chef, guys. Oh! Too hot, man. Man, it's actually, oh! It's shooting the pretty far. Let's do the eggs, guys. I might actually ruin this, but hold up. Ay, fucking hell. This is hard work, guys. Don't laugh. Man, I saw a piece going down. Guys, if this camera wasn't here, I might not be, possibly wouldn't be making this type of food, you know? I'm really fast, like do some editing and leave. That's how I do it. And of course, you need some salt, grain of salt. And then we got a plate here. Let's take one bread. In Russia, bread, you always say, mothers say, take some bread. If it's a soup, you must have bread with it. So they always, in Russian, stolova is the very basic, you know, home stuff, home food. You always have bread. And restaurants, restaurants as well. If you order soup, you always get, sorry for bad microphone, I don't know how long was it bad. You always get, you know, a piece of bread. In stolovas, they are sold separately. You know, like 10 cents, I don't know, something like that. Doing this with one hand, guys. It's pretty good already, right? Cooking with Igor. It was too hot, by the way, I think. And no, this is not on gas, but this is an older thing over here. Let's have some milk to go, and we're ready to eat. This is a lot of different sauces in Russia. This is ketchup tatarsky. It's a bit maybe barbecuey. I think I bought it last time. So this is the final result. Very typical Russian breakfast, I think. Somewhat close enough. And you have eggs. You know, you have pieces of, this is kind of a doktorskaya sausage, basically. Cheese, bread, and milk, and coffee. All right, let's try it out. I forgot the what is it? Knife, but let's try it out. Cooking with Igor, oh my God. You guys like this series, so here we are. Ooh. Hope it's not falling. Let's try it out with the sauce. Wow, it's good. Maybe over the eggs though. I'm too lazy to pick up the knife. It's good. This is Cooking with Igor, breakfast with Igor in Russia. So thanks a lot for joining. I'll see you again in Russia. Bye bye, and good morning. Thanks for watching another of my videos. Make sure to check out the places that you're interested in with the link in the description. There's an interactive Google Maps that you can use to find another places all around the world. Go check it out on a browser. Also, if you want to support, there's a link in the description to my store, distribution all across the world. Thanks for watching, and leave a like, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.